Okay, work has begun. 2013 Prius 3, I believe. Both headlights leak, fill up with water. I got a pretty good deal on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm gonna swap them out, and then since they leak and I already know they leak, these might become my projector housings. So yeah, took the bumper off because of this one bolt right here. That's all. Not only that though, the bumper slides on over the bracket to the headlights, part of the headlights. So alright, so that's the big. Alright, I just finished one of them. So there's the nice new one in. Here's the old one. All scratched and faded up here, and obviously, like I told you, collecting water. So this is the next one I'm about to do. You can see all this faded, and like I said, it keeps filling up with water. So let's do this. Okay, so I just changed this one out. Obviously it was a lot easier because I did the other side first. I want to test them, but I'm not, because I do not have the bumper plugged in. And just from all the readings I did on the forums, the hybrid battery can fault or something if one of the main lights is not, I don't know, it's really weird. I'm not going to take a chance, so I'm going to put the bumper on, put one of the plastic pins in so that it stays, and plug that in, and then I can test the lights that way. All I have to do is unplug the bumper, pull the pin back out, and troubleshoot. Alright? Okay, like I said before, the bumper is sitting almost where it needs to be, just so that I could plug in the lower lights before I went and tested everything to see if there was any issues. So let's do that. Okay, I am extremely happy. Everything went the way it was supposed to. Everything is working. The HIDs are warming up. These only come on if the headlights are off and the car is on. So the two bottom ones will light up nice and bright, and the two other ones are my turn signals. Daytime running lights are on the bottom. But there you go. I am excited. I've been trying to change these headlights for a little while. You can see the cut. Anyway, I hope it helped. If you have any questions, just ask. I'll do what I can to answer. 2013 Prius headlight assembly replacement, removal and replacement. And I did take the bumper off. You don't have to, but you do, because if not, you're flexing on it and pulling on it, and if you still have a good paint job like I do, you don't want to, you know, crack it, flex it, whatever you want to call it. Do it the right way. It should shut off in a second, but anyway, I wanted to show you what I was talking about. So these are the daytime running lights, along with my parking light, which is an LED. That one's dying. Looks like it's getting too hot or something. But anyway, there you go. And then I'm gonna switch to the lights. Okay, so when you turn on the actual headlights, it turns off the daytime running lights, which I want to change. I found a module that I can do that with. However, what I didn't like about it was it dimmed them. I want them bright. Yeah, I know it'll aggravate people, I guess, but they don't aim up. They're bright down. You know what I'm saying? They're bright low. They don't aim up. So anyway, if I can find that, I'll be happy. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Those are the high beams. Ooh, I see a little arc going on. So those little, that was weird. I'm gonna have to contact the manufacturer for my parking lights. I'm having some issues. Anyway, there you go, high beams. And once again, I'll go flick off the high beams real quick. Okay, I flicked off the high beams, turned on the hazard so that you can see the yellows LEDs above the daytime running lights. And that's it. That completes the removal of the front bumper to change out the two headlight housings, assemblies, whatever you want to call them. They are assemblies. And put it all back together. I'm happy. If you have any questions, please just go ahead and ask.